Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the view from my window, says Russell triumphantly. We've got some little fixes until I get my modem to keep me on the internet, because I was like, you know what, when they say people are addicted to the internet, they're not kidding. I was going crazy without my internet. So they're working on this site again. Here are the two guys they have working today. At least they're not listening to really obnoxious music at full blast. So, quiet. Most people have gone back to work. Gone to work, I mean. Oh my God, they're blowing a jay. Oh my God. Just like what they say about construction workers using on the job. See, look. They pass it. They pass it. He's just hogging that joint. Maybe the other guy doesn't want to smoke it. Put the roach right on that corner area there. So anyway, morons. They say construction workers are the #1 profession for using on the job. And now we've got anecdotal proof of that. Of that proposition, thesis, whatever you want to call it. So I'm waiting for my new modem to come in the mail. It's coming by UPS, which I'd rather have the US parcel service than UPS, but I didn't tell them that. Here's my friend with his giant Cadillac. He's like 190 years old, and he's going to be one of those people who like takes a shortcut through like that guy from Santa Monica. He'll take a shortcut through the Hollywood market that they have on Sundays over on Ivar and kill about 15 people. I mean, he's old and he's not paying attention to what he does. A prescription for disaster. It's just so good to be back online. And I got my friend Randy replied to my email, which made me really happy. I don't know if you can see it, but there are two birds over there courting. They're probably just pigeons, but I love all birds. There's way in the distance you can see a plane landing. There's the tree. It should be right there. Maybe it'll read. What I see on the LCD screen is not exactly like what I see on the computer. So there's the hellion himself waiting to make trouble. It's been getting really cool in the morning and then warming up nicely during the day, which is my favorite kind of weather, except it makes it so hard to get out of bed, especially when you've got this purr machine sitting beside you. Right, Natasha? Are you a purr machine? Yes, you are. Okay. I know I'm starting to put my cats in these transmissions a little too much, because not everybody loves cats. Of this, I'm sure. You losers. What are they doing on this site? Figure it out. Or they're gonna wet the soil. See, they've got one of those earth thumpers right there. See it? But then they've also got this stick to tamp down the earth. I don't know what they're doing over here, but I just hope it stays like this. See, sometimes I gesture with this. I'm sorry, but I just hope it stays like this forever. Knock on wood. I'm probably cursing myself. But I can't wait to see Dr. Sonata. I can't wait to see Dr. Johnny Wynn on Monday. Because he's the one who's going to tell me about my IQ and all that, my personality traits, all that shit. As if I didn't know already. I'm a madman. And that's why I was asked. No, actually, this last time I went and told them, I'm taking disability. How do you like that, biatch? So anyway, I'm not wearing my glasses again as usual. It looks like, is it 6 minutes, so I better go. If you're listening, Randy, over and out.